This right here is the EWEADN L1 Pro. This right here cost me $60. It has 8K Hz polling rate with the additional dongle included, which is actually a charging dock, has a really solid magnesium shell, and it comes with Huano mechanical switches, and the coating on this mouse feels really premium. Just a quick sound test. The mouse only has a 230 mAh battery, so the charger comes really handy in this case. Which, you know, helps with the weight, but still, the battery life is really good. I have played 4 hours of Valorant on 8K, and there's only an indicator in the software, and that was showing 3 out of 4. So we can assume it was under 75%. The coiled cable also feels really high quality. You have a touchpad on the charger, and you can tap it to change the RGB colors. The only shame with this charger is that it has glue on the bottom, not rubber. It snaps on with magnets, and there is a LED inside the mouse which will start to blink red, and when it's fully charged it will turn into green eventually. I actually really enjoy the stock skates, and for me personally the holes on the sides are really comfortable. The Pro version that I have has a different chip and it weighs around 50 grams. Here you can see a size comparison to the super light one. It is shorter in terms of length, and the hump is also a bit lower. Now for the software. You have to download it from the official website and then install it. The only downside to this software right now is that this only comes with Chinese language, because the brand is so new to the global market. But I have already talked with the customer service and they said that they will update it eventually, but they need some time. Now if you installed it and plugged the mouse in, it will detect your mouse instantly. Then you need to click on this and you can see here you have different profiles and you can bind different things to your buttons. Next tab is the DPI and the polling rates section. Now here by default it has 6 options that you can change with this button, and it will change the light inside the mouse accordingly, but I only use it on 1600, so I just leave it right there. Now an important thing, if you use the mouse on 8K, for some reason on this tab the motion sync cannot be turned on, but as soon as you change it below 8K, so for example 4K, you can turn this on. I don't know why this is happening, but if you want to use it in 8K you can't use motion sync. Okay, so the next step is macros. You can set your different macros, you can time it, delay it there and things like that. And the next tab is the important section. You have the lift-off distance. This is 1 millimeter, this is 2 millimeters. The sensor settings, this right here is the ripple control, this right here is the angle snapping, and this is the motion sync. And you have here, this is like performance modes. This will save you the most amount of battery. This is the medium, and this is the gamer mode, the highest performance. Now here you can see this is the sleep time. It will turn down after 30 seconds, and when you move your mouse after 30 seconds, the light inside the mouse will turn on and it will turn off after a few seconds. This right here, the factory reset. Now here you can see Windows options. This will change your sensitivity, but it won't affect the Windows options. So this only applies to this mouse only. This right here is the snapping helper. You know, you have it in the Windows and nobody uses that, but yeah, there you go. This is the wheel settings, this is how fast it should roll, and this is like a different type. It will be like smoother, but it's really weird. I don't like it, so I don't use it. Now this right here is the double click latencies, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the software. Here you can see the battery, and like I said, after 4 hours of gaming, playing Valorant, on 8K, no motion sync, these exact settings with the 8K and the 1600 DPI, it turned down to the third, so we can assume it was around 75% or under that. Now let's go ahead and test this mouse in game.
One down.
Remaining.
One dead. 4 down.
1 kill remaining.
Last one.
Dominating.
One less. Reap what you sow.
So after playing and testing the mouse in game, it feels really nice. The clicks are insanely smooth. There is little to no pre-travel. The 8K Hz polling rate was really nice. Also really accurate, as you can see. So overall it was really responsive and I really liked it. Comparing the feel of a magnesium mouse to a plastic one, not gonna lie, the plastic mouse sounds so hollow. Now let's talk about for whom do I recommend this mouse. If you are like me, who really wants to try a magnesium mouse and you have a budget but not as much to afford the Beastex, for example, or like me, you don't want to spend too much to try it out, I think this could be your best option. It has 8K, it has charging dock, it has everything you need. For only $65 for the non-pro version and around $70 for the pro version. The only difference between these two versions are the colors and the chip. Like I mentioned, I've only paid $60 for the pro version because I bought it from the official brand store on AliExpress and I used a lot of coupons and there was a discount as well. You have probably never heard about this brand before. They are really huge in China already. They just arrived to the global market. They also have really cool keyboards, for example. They even have a Hall effect keyboard that might worth checking out. But also, just look at this. How cool this looks, man. So I think we will hear about them in the near future. So these were all my thoughts on this mouse. I bought it for myself and it was no promotion. I just wanted to make a video because I saw no one has made one yet on YouTube. So I just wanted to help people out, so if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want. I might do things like this in the future as well, if I get my hands on some other rare things or just like something I would like to make a video about. Anyways, thanks for watching, have a nice day and bye bye.